Hi everybody, and this is Miss Mac. I'm going to show you how to create your own Brainpop account. So the first thing we're going to do is type in brainpop.com into our search bar and hit enter, and you're going to see this screen appear. Let's go on over to enter code and click on that. You're going to type in the code Hanger 5736. All lowercase, no spaces. Once you type that in, you're going to hit the submit button. Now it's going to attach you to both Miss Lanzafame and my 5th grade 2019 class. Scroll down here to sign up now and click on that. Now you get to create your own account. So if I were starting an account for, let's say, my son, I would put in his first name and his last name. And now you have to put in a username. Make sure it's something that you're going to remember. He goes by that. And then you need to think of a password. Again, something that you're going to be able to remember. So for your username or password, you can think of nicknames that you have, your 5-digit student numbers. Maybe you want to use your passwords from your Chromebook sign-in. Anything that you will remember. Okay, so I'll type in the password for him. Okay, it's still telling me that that's not good, so I have to start again. Okay. Okay, try it again, doesn't work. Okay. There you go. Third time is a charm. I'm going to retype it in, and the passwords must match. Then we're looking at a security question. In case you forget your username and password, Brainpop's going to ask you a question to help you remember your password, your username and password. So there are a few different options here. I would go with the easiest one, like what is your favorite color? And then you're going to type in the answer so that Brainpop knows what the answer is. And then you're going to look at an image. If it's my son, he'd probably pick the fish. So I'm going to pick the fish, and I'm going to create an account. So you notice how the account is successfully created. And I'm going to log in. Before you forget your username and password, I would write it down in your planner or maybe somewhere in your house that you're going to remember. So just in case you forget your username and password, you could always look it up. So here I go. And here is my own account. So up here in your dashboard is where you'll find all of your assignments that Miss Lanzafame and I will assign to you. And then if you have any free time, here's all the subjects that you can look through. Take some time, look through it. They have some really cool videos and some really cool games to play. But make sure you do your assignments first. Have fun setting up your new account,